everybody, it's Mara Allard of Wind, Water, and Wisdom, and I wanted to talk about the newest oil that I was called to create. It's called Great Gratitude, and it has just 3 ingredients: rose, myrrh, and lavender. And it really has more of a scent of lavender with a hint of rose, and the grounding of the myrrh really makes it a really nice fragrance. It's light, but what it does is it helps you to conjure a gratitude practice. So if you're struggling to find the good in the everyday or the minutes or the hours, this is something that can help you by just putting it on your pulse points, like so, and inhaling. And there is a little hint of rose. I'm not a huge fan of the smell of rose, but it's primarily lavender is what I smell. And it goes on the bottoms of your feet as well. So you can do the back of your neck. You can always do your throat. You can do anywhere you're called to rub this on. And I always can make it also, if you would want to diffuse it into another bottle, not a roller bottle. But the thought behind the Great Gratitude is when things are going well, it's easy to be grateful. It's easy to be thankful. It's easy to be happy. We get the promotion. We have a grandchild, we get married, we have a child, we, go on the vacation that we always wanted to. Those are things that are easy to be grateful and happy about. It's when the shit hits the fan, how do we find gratitude? And I started a gratitude practice years and years ago. I continue it today. I started it in the morning when I'm in bed, and I'm grateful for the easiest things. Like I'm grateful for a sip of hot coffee. This is really something I am sincerely grateful for every morning, no joke. I'm grateful for the bed that I have. I'm grateful for covers. I'm grateful for I wake up with my vision and I can see out the window. I'm grateful for that I have taste buds, that I can taste this coffee and smell this coffee. That's where I started my practice. It can then come very easy if you do this daily. If you can find things daily to be grateful for, with like you're going to an appointment, you're running late, and you get a green light. I am thankful for that green light. I am thankful for my cell phone that I can text somebody and say I'm running late or call them. I'm grateful for the tiniest things. When you're grateful for the very smallest things, I'm grateful I can even breathe. I'm grateful that I have a vehicle, whether that is a bus, a plane, a car, a bicycle, to get to where I need to go. When we can get to the minutia and to be happy for the littlest things, then we can delight in so much more. And when something great happens, it's magnified. You're actually so grateful. So when something big happens in my life, I am usually overwhelmed with gratitude because I've focused on being grateful for the tiny little things. It even helps when you're going through a transition in your life. So say you were sick, and what can you find gratitude in? Can you find gratitude in a doctor or medicine or some sort of practice that is helping you get through that illness? When something is really hard, can you find the slice of sunshine in the difficult? And so that's why I created Great Gratitude. So I will put a link to my shop if you're called to purchase that. Also, I am hosting a workshop on May 7th. It will be on Zoom from 7 to 9. It's about feng shuiing one room of your home. You will need to submit a hand-drawn floor plan and a few photos of that room. I'm going to limit this only to 5 people so we can spend a good amount of time on your space. And when you sign up, you just tell me if you're looking to bring in anything into your life, like from a gua, career, wealth, relationship, or if you're just looking to create harmony and balance in your space. So I'll put the links to those 2 offerings in the comments or in this post, and I hope you have a fabulous day.